Hello, I'm Harvey, and for 40 years I've been selling water softeners, and I've been telling people that when you wash in hard water or softened water, you can smell and taste the soap on your skin. And now finally, thanks to Hiran over here,
Hi Hiran.
Hi there.
we've now found a piece of equipment that will actually measure the amount of soap that's actually on the skin. And here it is. It's a machine made by Agilent. It's tens of thousands of pounds.
So you said it was 8,000, Hiran?
I wish it was.
Yeah.
It's £40,000. But we've got here a graph system that'll explain it. And what I want to do is actually show you how the machine works and actually show you the results at the same time. Here we go, bar of soap. We've got softened water and hard water. And when we wash in softened water, you've all seen it before, we get lovely lather and no scum on your skin and no scum floating around in the, and we'll just rinse them. And what I'm going to do now is separate the hands, and this is a little bit more awkward. So I'm going to keep this one in softened water, and I'm going to put one hand in hard water, and we're going to measure the top of our finger as the actual soap. And that's rinsing in hard water. Do it again. And if you come in close, you can see the scum that's on the water, and we know it gets on the skin, but now we're actually going to be able to measure it. So if you come over here, I'm going to rinse my right hand in the softened water and get it all off, get rid of the soap. Now, as you probably know, you can never get rid of everything, but that should get rid of that one. Now, Hiran, if you pull that plug off there.
Hold the tap as you do it. There you go.
Just yank it down. Right, there we go. And I'll rinse the hard water here. And so now we've got one that's been rinsed in hard water. Yeah, turn it on. And one that's been rinsed in softened water. And I'll take it there. Now, Hiran, if you could come along and set the machine up,
Okay.
we'll actually record the difference here, and we'll be ready to go. Right, you ready to go?
Yeah, still filming.
This is the fantastic machine, and at the end here is a little diamond, and it sends infrared rays out here, and it measures the reflection, and the reflection is a result of the infrared rays that are absorbed by the skin or chemicals or whatever else, and what's reflected back is measured in the form of a graph.
If you like to press your finger against the diamond ATL, please. Okay. And this one is hard. Okay, Harvey, if you like to press your finger onto the ATR.
Okay, well, if you come in and have a look and look at the actual screen, what you're looking at is the red line along the bottom here with a peak going up there. That's the actual soap itself. That's the spectral response it gets. And then the blue one is the softened hand, and the blue one comes along and then it shows a bit of soap left on the skin, and it shows a bit more of something over here. But when you come along and look at the green one, it shoots right up here, and if you scan in, close in on that one, you can see now that there's this tremendous peak of the green, which is the hand that's been washed in the hard water, showing the amount of soap that's left on your skin compared to the blue one, which is softened. It's still showing a bit, but nothing like the amount of the hard water.
So what do you think of that then?
So there you go. Finally, after 40 years, we've got some real scientific evidence to prove it. You can lick it, or you can look at the chart. Either way, the soap is on your skin, and we believe that causes a lot of people a lot of problems. Thank you. Okay, we're now doing a liquid soap, and to get an analysis of the actual soap, they put a lump on the end of the crystal to get the spectral graph for that soap. So here we are with the results. We've got the liquid soap in red, and we've got the green for the hard and the blue for the softened, and you can see the blue is along the bottom here, the red is the liquid soap, and the green is where it's washed in hard water. And if you zoom in on this bit, Hiran, just which is where the soap really is, and that shows that there's the blue washed in softened water, and the liquid soap is up here, and that is the hand that's washed in hard water. So there you have it. It works for soap, as in ordinary hand soap, and it works for liquid soap just the same.